Prime Minister announces increased benefits for NHT contributors. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News. A special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com. Hi, I'm Nadine McLeod.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, more fuss about money allocated for Labor Day activities.
Education Minister concerned about reports that teachers are sexually abusing students.
Protest at Royalton Hotel construction site.
And in the business day, PSOJ President intensifies calls for duties on oil from Trinidad.
There's also sports commentary, e-prime and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
The Clarendon police say 4 teachers were arrested in 1 month for sexual crimes against children. So this evening we're asking, what kind of vetting process would you like to see teachers on the go before they're hired?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after these messages.